What's going on, guys? I just received my Rock Tricks wheels today, so we're going to do an unboxing. I just got home from work, so this is just going to be something quick. I'm not ready to put them on the truck yet because I still need to get some tires. Let's go ahead and take a look. I haven't opened any of the boxes yet. I just set up the camera and I'm going to go ahead and just unbox this now. So this is a first viewing of them. So I'm super excited about this. So let's go ahead and get into it. And I apologize, my microphones are dead, so I'm using my camera phone. All right, and I will say they are packaged nice. They were handled with good care. So far, thank you card. Ooh. Oh, I definitely picked the right color. Definitely picked the right color. Let me just go ahead and move you over there. So I got the Rock Tricks RT114 in the bronze finish. These are faux beadlock. They're not the real beadlock. That finish looks totally different in person than it does online. I can't wait to see these on the truck. Those look so small next to my 20s. These are a 17x9 with a -12 offset. The back spacing on the back is cut out for spacers. I am going to be going to 35, so that's the plan with these wheels. 35s on the 17x9s. I haven't picked my tire yet. Hopefully soon I will have the tires ready to go. I have to do a little bit of maintenance before I get them installed. Should be installed soon, so I'm super excited. Thank you, Rock Tricks, for sending out the wheels and for being my latest sponsor. I'm excited to be a part of the team. Guys, the link is in the bio for Rock Tricks wheels. Check it out. Use code MANDO to save an extra 5% on your deal for wheels. Stay tuned. Once I get them installed, have another video after install review on them. Appreciate it.